Motherfucking mic check. Ooze, ooze, ooze. Ooze, ooze. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Mic check. We got my nigga Trey right here. On God, boy. Say what up, Carl. On God, y'all see he got a motherfucking 345 R2 RT motherfucking challenge Jugan. Y'all know I got the Stugan. Nigga, we about to go dumb for about 15 minutes. So, let's get these little motherfucking hot starts. Y'all know y'all from the last video. Let's see how this shit start real quick, man. We mostly gonna be behind him and beside him and shit, so hopefully he go fucking crazy. If not, y'all niggas know I'm about to go crazy. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, I'm gonna start this shit when we start going dumb. And then when we part ways is when we gonna fucking end up this video. But it's gonna be a lit ass vlog. He don't got nothing but a mid muffler delete. I got a cold air intake, Catless, X-pipe, and Borla S-type mufflers. That's it. But he got like a RT VVT engine, some shit like that, bro. He got 400 horsepower crank instead of 375. So his shit, bro, his shit crank. I ain't gonna cap. All right, y'all, we started motherfucking driving and shit. I don't know if I'm gonna leave the windows down all the way to. Oh my God. He ain't got no gas, bro, so hopefully we make it back home. I don't know, shit. I got 11 miles. He probably got like, shit, I don't know. He probably got like 15 miles to go home. Probably not even that. Probably like 14, 13. But we finna get active, bro. So get your popcorn, get ready for the next 2 minutes, and then after 2 minutes, we finna go dumb. But y'all let me know. Talk to me about these Corvettes. Y'all know I'm gonna talk about them every time because this channel is gonna be based off a Corvette real soon. Damn. This be loud as fuck. Rolling my window for right now. Let me know if y'all got an LS2 or LS3. I don't give a fuck. I just want a black C6. LS2 or LS3. Most likely LS2 because it's way cheaper and I can get lower miles. So I just looked at a black LS3 last video and that shit was perfect, bro. Like that shit looked good as hell. Had 100K miles. I don't give a fuck. That bitch was cool. So yeah, y'all clowning me on this fucking weak ass fucking V6, bro. Y'all gonna be all on my dick when I get the C6 and be gapping everything loud as fuck, bringing y'all consistent ass content. It's gonna be like this, but I'm just gonna be way more lit, bro, because I got my own V8, bro. I get happy around V8s like a motherfucker. So when I have my own, bro, I'm gonna be turned as fuck. Let's motherfucking go. This is the only way to get on the freeway. Listen, the only legal way to do 0 and 120. Motherfucking head strap on, cuz. Woohoo! He might be babying it because he don't want to run out of gas, bro. Because he was just going nuts in the last. If you watched last video, you know. Fucked up the road over there and shit, bro. I don't know if you're gonna do something because you don't want to run out of gas, end up on the side of the road, bro. But I'm gonna keep giving y'all some, you know what I'm saying, some exhaust clip and shit with these little pools. Who the fuck destroyed the road? Everybody that drive next to me slow as fuck. I think they want to race, bro. I ain't saying I'm gonna win, but you gonna hear this bitch. roll like this. You roll up on me. Imagine you roll up on me. You be like 60 roll. We like, ready? 1, 2. Yeah, boy. Fuck. Now I'm gonna try it in standard mode. I'm gonna try it in the regular auto mode. Y'all tell me which one is faster. I never tested this shit out. 60 roll. Ready? 1, 2. That shit just seemed way slower, bro. I don't know. It don't make sense because I got 6 gears when I'm doing it like it's standard, but like compared to this one, I only got 3 fucking gears. But I feel way faster with these 3 gears until I shift. I'm sorry, y'all gonna have to get on his ass because he ain't doing no pulls for real, but like hopefully my V6 is enough, bro. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, Sang. Which way I gotta go? I gotta take the loop. I think I gotta take the loop. I'm gonna end it probably after this bridge, bro. I know this was a pretty cool, chill video. Did a little bit of pulls. Oh shit, we gotta go this way? Shit, I don't know. I'm just following him at this point. Oh damn, yeah, we going the wrong way. What the fuck? Oh nah, don't tell me this shit done, folks. Saying I'm about to get y'all a little tunnel pool and shit. We about to go. I hope he hit in the tunnel. Then y'all hear something, you know what I'm saying? But if not, guess who's back? Back again. Let's see, let's see. Damn, you ain't hitting under the tunnel. Is either something wrong, you really don't understand.